Pembola is a high-yielding tomato variety. Pembola is a high-yielding and early-ripening tomato variety intended for cultivation in greenhouses and open ground. Its fruits are round, smooth, bright red in color, weighing an average of 180 to 200 grams. One of its main advantages is stable productivity and good taste. The flesh is thick, juicy, resistant to storage and transportation. Therefore, it is a very convenient variety for marketing. The Pembola variety is resistant to diseases, especially to late blight. If you follow the correct agritechnical requirements, you can get up to 5 to 7 kilograms of yield from one bush. This variety is perfect for canning, making salads and fresh consumption. Try it on your plot. Pembola will definitely please you.